Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Unique Dija here. On today's episode, we are going to be making Nigerian local rice, native rice. So here are the ingredients: crayfish, oil, onions, maggi, pepper, locust beans, dry fish, and stock fish. So here are all the ingredients we are going to be using: grated pepper, ugu, pumpkin leaf, the dry fish and the stock fish already washed, red oil, crayfish, onions, stock cubes, salt, and locust beans. So let's start the video. I'll be heating up the oil a little bit. I'm not going to be bleaching it. I'll just heat it up to hot. Then I'll add the onions. So fry for like 1 minute or so. I'll add salt to the onions so that our oil will be tasty and the onion will be tasty. So mix it. I'll add the locust beans. Mix it. I'll be adding the grated pepper. This is actually mixed pepper, shombo, tatase, and onions. I'll allow it to fry. So it's already fried. I'll be adding water. I'll be adding the stock cube. The salt. Mix it together. Crayfish. Still add a little more crayfish. So here is our parboiled rice. Actually, we are using Nigerian rice. So I'll mix everything together to incorporate before I'll cover it to cook. Make sure you add enough water that will be able to cook your rice. I'll be adding the fish now. So everything is in there. I'll be covering it to cook. So here is our rice. Our red native rice is ready. So I'll be adding the pumpkin. It will be the last thing because I don't want it to be over soft. I'll add it and mix it. Cover it to steam. Then you are good to go. I'm still trying to mix it very well so that the oil, the pumpkin, everything will mix together. So here is our rice. Thank you guys for watching. If you watch to this extent, please give us a thumbs up, like and share. Bye. See you in my next video.